Hey everyone, welcome to Text Broker Review. And guys, if you're here, you're probably looking for ways to make money from home. At any point, guys, if you want to see my top recommendation for making around $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home, then click the link at the top of this description, enter your information, and I'll send that free training directly to your inbox. Now, let's dive into the Text Broker Review. Here I'm going to walk you through what Text Broker is, how much you can expect to get paid, and what the jobs involve, and everything else you need to know about it. So when you visit textbroker.com, click on I write content to get all the information and register to become a writer. Essentially, Text Broker pays you to write articles. Currently, this opportunity is mostly available in the United States, and you'll need to verify your US citizenship to apply. But don't worry guys, if you are from any other part of the world, then there is a bonus for you. So please stick to this video till the end. Now to get started, register by clicking the button and submitting a writing sample for rating. Complete your profile and you can start writing for cash. There are a few different project types. Number one is open order. Here, choose from thousands of projects and get paid based on your quality ranking, which can improve over time. And second one is direct order. Clients send projects directly to you and the pay is custom and varies with each job. Third one is team order. Join teams focused on specific article types and niches where you get a set price per word. If you have expertise in a specific field, joining a team can be beneficial. So click to register and you can start signing up right away. Now let's talk about your pay, guys. There are three different types of orders and your pay depends on your quality ranking. So once approved, here is the breakdown for that. 3-star quality rank pays you around 1 cent per word, and 5-star quality rank pays you around 5.5 cents per word. You can request a payout at any time of the week as long as your balance is over $10. You know, payouts are also processed twice per week, and most people choose PayPal, but other options are also available. Here is a quick overview of the pay. 5-star writers get paid around $55 for every 1,000 words, and 4-star writers get paid around $16 for every 1,000 words, and 3-star writers get paid around $11 for every 1,000 words. Here you can see how much difference the quality makes. It's essential to submit your best work to maximize your earnings, guys. Okay, and also check out their website slider tool to calculate potential earnings. For example, writing 12,000 words at 5-star quality pays around $660. Alright, now Text Broker won't make you a full-time income over here. It's very clear, but it can be a decent side income, especially if you love writing. So if you are already a writer, blogger or content creator, this is a great way to earn extra money. Text Broker is legit, guys, having been around for almost 20 years and they have a great reputation while writing for big companies like eBay, Staffels and many more. So check out their rating criteria to understand how to achieve a 5-star rating. They also provide some sample text to help you see what a 5-star author looks like. Aim for 5 stars to maximize your earnings. So at last I would like to conclude saying Text Broker is legitimate, and if you are a content writer, blogger or just love writing, this platform can provide a decent side income. However, if you are looking for a full-time income from the comfort of your home, then check out my top recommendation in the description down below and in the pinned comments. Enter your information and I'll send you training on how to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month, sometimes even more. So it requires work, but not sitting and typing all day for just a few $100s. If you are interested in a great side hustle and love writing, Text Broker is a solid option. And guys, as I said, I would also like to give you a bonus. Okay, you can please visit the second link from the description. That would be directing you directly to my VIP community. Okay, so there are 3 advantages if you join a VIP community of mine right now. First one is you're going to get access to my resources. Second is I'm about to launch an affiliate marketing course. Okay, like how I went from zero to making over thousands of dollars. everything will be explained in that, like how I got failures and how I overcome those failures. Everything from scratch I'm going to explain in that course. So you're going to get that course for absolutely free if you join the community right now. The third one is you're going to get interacted with like-minded people who are already in the business, okay, or who would like to do affiliate marketing business. So these are the 3 advantages you would be getting if you join my community right now from the second link in the description. And if you're watching this video for the first time, guys, I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.